Hi guys, I am Jennifer Francisco from Blushington, New York City. I am a lip makeup and aesthetics trainer, and today I wanted to bring you a little demo on how to execute our smoke and mirror signature look.
As always, the first thing I do is spiraling my hands, then I go ahead and moisturize my skin. Next, I fill in my eyebrows with hair-like strokes using my Precision Brown pencil from Kevyn Aucoin. As a base for my eyeshadow, I'm also using the Kevyn Aucoin Etherealist Concealer. For my eyeshadow, I am using Eyes Are the Window palette in Sol with the shade Heart as a transition. Then all over the lid, carefully blending the shade Being. To open up and lighten up the eye, I am using the shade Thought from the inner corner to the outer corner. On the outer corner of the eye, I am doing the shade Essence, making sure I blend it very well. On the bottom of the eye, I am again going with the shade Being, just this time with a smaller brush. Now I'm repeating the same step with the shade Essence. To add some fun and drama to my smoky, I am using the liquid eyeshadow from Stila on shade Diamond Dust. Then for my eyeliner, I'm also using the Stila Smudge Pot liner. My falsies are the wispies from Ardell. They're really natural and the strip is super thin. As a primer, Pink Perfect Cream from Herborian. Then my foundation is a 24-hour from Becca in shade Olive. As a concealer, I'm again using the Kevyn Aucoin Etherealist, then my bronzer, my beloved Cabo from Galactic. On my cheeks, my all-time favorite Tiger Lily from Becca. It is super pretty, glowy, and easy to blend. On my lips, I have the Kevyn Aucoin Minimal Pencil, Maiden Line Pigmented Lip Gloss from Jouer, and the Affection Lip Gloss from Nude Envy. Remember, you can buy everything I use today at Blushington.com.
This is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I've been making it for you. And remember, when you look good, you feel good. So try it out. Maybe practice it if you have downtime or use it for a video conference call. Bye.